The next window is the F7 window, wellbore configuration. We enter our survey, our perf intervals here. I have an example on the other screen. Let's say that the measured depth of this well is it's 6902. Normally we don't do drill holes, we do casing, so I would just enter the same numbers on both windows or just avoid the drill hole altogether. We use this casing whenever it's one casing size throughout the whole well, and we use the second row whenever there's a crossover. Let's say that at the depth of 9106 feet, the casing becomes smaller, whether it's a casing or a liner. So that's whenever the crossover happens at 9106. Let's say the free casing is at 4.5 outer diameter, 11.75 pound per foot. Let's say that 13.5 for the weight of the lower liner. It will be a smaller inside diameter. This is all information that's included by your client will provide it on the completion procedure. The perf intervals tab is where we are gonna enter our top perf and bottom perf for that particular stage. This is some middle stage, maybe stage 10 or 11. We put in the diameter of the hole, number of perforations for that stage, and then we go to directional survey. The completion procedure should provide a directional survey. I've received them before in an Excel file, PDF, Word document. So directional survey usually provides measured depth, NS, EW, TVD, azimuth, inclination, but we only need 3 of those. I guess you can pick your favorite. I normally stick to measure depth, true vertical depth, and azimuth, and I just paste those from the Excel file provided onto here. Before I paste these, however, I make it a point to click on the clear survey button in the middle of the window to make sure that I start with zeros when I paste. It is very important to go back to your perf intervals and ensure that the casing volume on your calculations to that top perf matches the volume displayed on the window in perf intervals on the F7 window.